The top 5 strange phenomena found around the world. 1. Morning glory cloud. Morning glory clouds are very rare types of clouds. They can stretch 1,000 kilometers long and occur at altitudes of up to 2 kilometers. Although similar clouds are seen in many places worldwide, the ones over Burketown, Queensland in Australia occur predictably every spring. These tubes and the surrounding air can cause dangerous turbulence for aeroplanes when near. 4. Snow rollers. Snow rollers are formed when a thick layer of snow falls on top of a layer of ice. If the temperature and wind speed are right, chunks of snow can break loose and start rolling. As they're blown along the ground like wintry tumbleweeds, they pick up additional snow along the way. The inner layers are often weaker and less compact, allowing them to be blown easily away by the wind, leaving a large naturally formed snow donut. Because of the precise temperature and wind speeds required to create this effect, snow rollers are a rare sight, but have made headlines with their appearances in parts of North America and the UK. 3. Raining animals. This phenomenon has been reported in locations worldwide for centuries, with most cases involving fish, frogs, or other small aquatic animals. Despite being extremely rare and lacking in credible eyewitness accounts, most incidents are explainable. Waterspouts, think tornadoes made of water, are the go-to culprit, as their high winds can lift small animals out of the water, carrying them far distances before dropping them off on the streets. 2. Star jelly. In the Star Trek universe, star jellies, also known as sky mounts, are a species of telepathic jellyfish-like cosmic organisms, first seen in the Next Generation episode Encounter at Farpoint. Although quite similar to sky mounts in appearance, starshots or astral jellies are actually unexplained space globs that are oftentimes associated with meteor showers. They are shapeless, glutinous blobs of unknown composition that usually evaporate soon after touching the ground. 1. Earthquake lights. Strange though they are, earthquake lights are very real. Seen before the onset of an earthquake, and sometimes even after, these bright flashes of white and blue light are localized to places with intense tectonic disturbances. Earthquake lights have a lifetime varying from a few seconds to more than 10 minutes. While accounts of this rare atmospheric effulgence date back to 373 BC, more recent ones include video footage of the 2009 L'Aquila earthquake in Italy, the 2010 Chile earthquake, and the eruption of the Sakurajima volcano in 2011.